my name is Nora. Welcome to the Freeing Rhythm channel where you can learn, experience, and create. Today's video is going to be another episode of the challenge series. So I will be talking about last month's challenge and the new challenge, so stay tuned. So last month's challenge was meditating for 30 days and I actually went through with it. And I've noticed a lot of things that have changed in the last 30 days, or a lot of new changes, I want to say, or maybe I became more aware of them. So one thing that I would say that I became more aware of was my thoughts. I actually started to notice all the negative thoughts that I was thinking about or my mind was throwing at me. And a lot of the times I believe these thoughts, and I think I started to not believe them as much or not give them a lot of power. Also, another thing is that I started to notice before I want to say something negative or act on something negative or say something mean, for example, I actually would stop myself before I do that. Another thing that I became more aware of was my eating. I think I became more of a mindful eater. I stopped reaching for sugary, fattening food, and I started to be aware more of my body and what my body needs. So I started eating healthier food like salads and more green and vegetables and fruits. Another thing that would happen, I don't know if it's actually related or not, but I was inspired to get plants and to actually care for the plants. So I feel like it made me more caring. Another thing was my pets. I started to spend more time with them and pet them more and brush them and take care of them. Another thing I would say also, I stopped looking at my phone so much. It wasn't as relevant to me as it used to before, which was a very big problem for me. And I actually think that it helped me in just being more aware of the content that I was consuming. And I wasn't looking at a lot of social media like I used to, which is a great plus. Another thing I would say is that I became less reactive, so I wasn't as emotionally invested if something bad happened or if something didn't turn out as I wanted to. So it definitely helped my patience and helped me become more compassionate and less reactive. So that was for last month's challenge. Of course, I'm going to continue to do it because it has helped me a lot, and I will not stop meditating. For the next 30 days, I want to create a goal and actually accomplish it in the next 30 days. And if you'd like to join me, you can create a short-term goal or a long-term goal, and you can dissect it into little smaller tasks that you can distribute throughout the month. And for the long-term goal, you can actually just write all the things that you want to accomplish for that month for that goal. I will be creating a new goal, and I will be dissecting it into little tasks that I will distribute throughout the days and weeks of the next 30 days. And I hope that you can join me on this challenge and we can share our experience together. So that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And share it with someone who might benefit from it today. And hopefully a lot of people will join in on this challenge for this month. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.